This is a European flat oyster, and while it probably doesn't look like much, this single oyster is capable of filtering up to 200 litres of water a day. Now, most of us probably think about food when we think about oysters, but we probably don't realise just how important they are for keeping our marine environment clean and healthy. I'm here today down in Portsmouth by the Solent, an area where millions of these oysters were once found. However, our desire to eat oysters as tasty shellfish has meant that we have overfished them, and the populations in the Solent have now collapsed. This is really bad because it has left the local environment degraded and has also affected the livelihoods of fishermen around here. But what is really fantastic is that we are now seeing more and more oyster restoration projects pop up all over the UK. And right here in the Solent, the goal is to put 5 million oysters back into these waters over a period of 3 years. Now, I don't know about you, but I think it is truly remarkable that this small animal could be responsible for saving the Solent.